first time in Pakistan for me. Excited to play the Romanza golf course, which is one of Pakistan's first world-class golf facilities, and everything from the practice range here to the golf course is just world-class. I mean, I've just played the front nine, some fantastic holes, 7,500 yards, championship standard, championship length golf course, and having a lot of fun enjoying Pakistan, enjoying Multan and the culture and the great people here.
I love Pakistan. I wish I had more time to be here. We're in and out too quick. We have other places, other courses we have to go to, but we will be back.
So you are looking forward to come back in Pakistan?
Yes, everybody has been so friendly and nice and welcoming. It's been a joy.
This course is amazing. I got offered to come out here to Pakistan, and I've never really thought about coming out here for golf, and to see this amazing golf course be built, it's going to give great opportunities for the people of Pakistan, and it's going to make many great golfers. Just giving them the opportunity to actually progress in this game. It's great to see. Off the backs, I think it's nearly 7.6, which is a lot longer than most courses we play in England. But it's quite wide open. But the greens are tough. There's a lot of slopes, quite a bit of water. It's just beautiful though. It's a stunning golf course.
Course is really good. Facilities are fantastic. I think it's obviously going to be a huge asset to Pakistan and Multan to have such a great facility.